Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it comes to us from Otterbox. This is the Otterbox Defender Pro case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I finally decided to pick up an Otterbox Defender Pro. It's been like a few years that I've had this case on the channel. I kind of been on and off with them because you know that there's a lot more cases out there that have the same type of protection for a cheaper price point. Like this case right here, I got it from Best Buy. It was maybe around like $70 to $80, but people love the brand. It's been out for more than 20 years, so people will enjoy this. But as far as the case itself, you guys can pause this and read it for yourself. 7-time drop tested approved, 3 tri-layer defense absorb shock, textured all over for peak grip. Defender Pro. This is the one that doesn't have the it doesn't have a holster. I'm not sure if a lot of people still use the holsters. You guys let me know down in the comments below if you guys still use the holsters for your iPhones and for your Otterbox cases. But let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. We should already know what it looks like, but I do like that they do nowadays. They have the logo for the MagSafe here, so you're gonna get that MagSafe. Really good type of connection when it comes to the MagSafe. So as far as you can see from here, you do have a manual guide if you want to install here. And as far as the instructions, you guys could check this out, read it for yourself. And if you guys want a free holster, we were just talking about the holster, they do have a code that's on the bottom of here that I will redeem for myself, since this case is so expensive. But as far as the case itself, as you can see, I did get the black colorway. Very signature when it comes to Otterbox. I do like how they added the logo on the inside, and it does have that soft material on the inside. It's very soft to touch. But as far as how to install the Otterbox Defender, very simple unless they changed it. So what I try to do is I try to find a point into the case that has a little bit more room, kind of like a crack in between. So if you guys want to make your own, you can, but if you can't find one, then you're gonna have to do some type of digging here if you have a nail. So I just peeled off one side of the edge. You can pop that off just like so. Very simple, nothing too crazy. All right, so that will be the first part of how to take it off. And you do have the MagSafe right here. So how you take this part off here is very simple. You do have these clips that actually run across the whole case. So if I just show you guys the little clips right here, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And how you do that, you just have to place your finger. And it does have the arrows too. So you have the arrows on the back of here, so it actually tells you where to actually pop it off. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you can pop that off as well. I don't see an arrow for the top, but I'm going to pop those off. Very simple if you guys have experience when it comes to Otterbox. You don't want to snap it too much because you might actually break the clip, so just go really easy on this here. All right, so on to the next step would be to place the bottom layer on the back of the device, and you flip it over. So how you got to go by this is with the buttons. You can't really go by the bottom no more. You could go by the button side, just like so. See how it matches up? So just make sure it matches up, and trust me, if it doesn't go in easily, then you have it the wrong way. So what you do is do with that. I'm turning up my camera. All right, you just have to clip them back in. Make sure that it's all sealed up. All right, so as far as the last step, you're gonna place this right on top, and trust me, I've been doing this for a few times. It's always activating the camera, but basically what you do is you put it over it, and just make sure that it's nice and sealed. Trust me, when you have an Otterbox case, this case will actually stay on your phone for a very, very long time because it is very, very durable. There's a lot of other cases that are very similar, but the ones who basically started this was Otterbox. But very simple. You just got to make sure you get all those parts that are sticking out, just like so. And remember, I think that the more time that you take this off is like this rubber starts to wear down a little bit, but you do have the warranty here. But as far as what it looks like, you guys let me know what do you guys think about the Otterbox Defender. All right, so let's try out the MagSafe. See how it sticks on here. All right, doesn't look like it's sticking too much. All right guys, so we are now back. I've been trying, it's just not sticking to this one. Maybe it's too heavy to actually fit this one, but as far as the regular MagSafe charger, maybe it'll work just fine. But as far as my power pack, it is definitely slipping off, just like so. It will charge. It will charge, as you can see. It's just that it's not staying on. See? All right guys, so besides that, really classic case. I really love this case for a very, very long time. I think that has done the job. Lip protection has always been on point for the front and for the camera. Really, really cool. As far as the buttons, nice and clicky. I do like the action button as well. Very good. All right, and as far as that volume up and down, nice and clicky as well. All the buttons are nice and clicky. Really, really good quality. But besides the fact that it couldn't take my MagSafe portable charger, that is about it. But as far as the overall case, I think is really dope. You do got the Otterbox logo right there. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Otterbox products and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.